Your CMS system has a wealth of features and functions, and we've gone to great lengths to provide you with lots of help and online resources and tech support in case you need help in learning how to use these new features. I'm going to go right to the chase here. Easiest way to get to those resources is to access the help system here off of the main menu. On it, you can access our context-sensitive help system by clicking on the contents. Typically, this can be accessed also by hitting F1, the F1 function key, and it should bring up the subject matter no matter where you're at in CMS. And I'm going to show that to you really quick. If I'm actually in a customer record here and I hit the F1 button, it's going to go right to that part of the help system and bring up the information you need, or most likely need, while you're looking for stuff there in the help system. I'm going to come back here to the help system to show you some of the other features we've got on board. We have the manuals, which most of you are familiar with. We've gone to great lengths to enhance those too. These are all Adobe PDF files, and the help system that we just looked at a minute ago has almost all this information already embedded in it. But just so you could see it, I'm going to open one of these up. This happens to be the user guide. It opens up using a reader format, and as you can see, I'm just going to scroll through the first few pages. You're probably familiar with this. Again, all of this information is in the help system as well. Okay, so we got 4 different manuals, one for the reports guide, one for everyday user functionality, the setup guides for configuration, and usually is used at the beginning of your CMS installation, and as well as the installation guide. They're all very long and deep, and you can access them right from that help system right there. We also have new in CMS a number of online resources building on what we've been working on over the past year or so. From this menu, you can check for updates right on the website, which is a handy little feature. We're also adding a Wikipedia for CMS-related products and eCMS stuff so that we can build a library of resources for you to look at. We also can access a web page to request help for professional services, which encompasses a whole bunch of stuff, including report writing or special projects you might have, upgrading, updating data in your product list, adding new data or products or customers. So we do a lot of work that way. The remote support sessions can also going to be started from here, so your tech support guys will be pointing you to this section of CMS to instigate a remote session. We also have the ability here to submit support requests right from this screen, create the tickets for you, and have somebody get back to you as soon as they can. Also, you can access the training videos. This is one of them. There's many others going to be on file for you to use, as well as visiting the website. So all that stuff's right there off the help menu. All new. The other sections here, the what's new is something you're used to seeing after you do an update, but you can always go back and revisit this document. It's updated as we do updates and or bug fixes, and as you scroll through here you can see all the new stuff we've done. There'll be videos in the library for each of these subjects too, to explain what the changes are and how they work in a little bit more detail than what I'm going through right now. Anyway, this is easily accessible from that help window. And finally, the last thing on here is the way to get your version numbers and licensing. So you can also call us, but typically you'll probably get a lot better and easy use if you give the help system a try, and if you access those resources. Again, we're always available. Check back to the video library for other subject matter, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks.